we're all sunscreening up for, it's not actually that bright outside though today, but we're just getting ready to go on and walk a lot of steps because we're going up to this cave, this like Islamic cave, and it's like there's really a lot of steps to get up, and then there's kind of like almost a museum inside, and so I'm really excited. Yeah, we're all getting ready to head out. We're going to take a Grab there, which is like a taxi. It's kind of like an Uber, but it's like Malaysian. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'll definitely get some pictures and stuff for you guys. So yeah, see ya. Hey guys, this is Iris. So right now we're at the stairs. We're about ready to walk up them, and it's really hot. At first I didn't think it would be this hot, but now it's really hot. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's really pretty. The statue is ginormous. So yeah, it's really beautiful. See you guys.
We're back on real time.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
1,000 of the easiest steps in my life.
I was actually expecting a little more steps, but...
And now we get to see what these caves are all about.
Yeah.
Awesome, let's do it.
What are you doing? What are you doing right now, Dad?
I'm getting the fish spa. It removes dead skins, it heals cracks in my feet.
Wow.
And it gives a micro massage, it reduces stress and strain, and it improves blood circulation. And most importantly, it gives these fish a nice meal.
Holy cow, you got the whole colony on your feet. Wow. Does it tickle?
It does tickle a lot, yes.
Wow. Okay.
Alright, bye. Iris, what are you doing?
I'm going to hold a snake, guys.
What's that?
I'm holding a snake.
Well, Iris,
So cool.
tell me, what does it feel like?
It's kind of like, it's like rubbery and squishy. You can't explain it.
Wow. What kind of a snake?
Ball.
A ball python? Ball python. Cool, that's awesome.
Guys, there's a peacock with its feathers all spread out. It's amazing.
Good portraits of these.
It's amazing. So cute.
Over here, Iris.
There's also this one. Ooh, there's a pretty white one. But there's also this one.
Whoa, do you see it shaking?
Yeah, it was shaking.
I like to move it.
Looks like someone's got a crush.
Oh, it is? What if it just falls out? That's what I thought that they were doing. Let it fall out.
Yeah.
You have my phone?
Me? No. So cool. Oh, there it goes. It's shaking. Wow. It's amazing. Beautiful. Hey guys, this is Iris. So right now we're still in Kuala Lumpur. So we found a nice place to settle in. We have an Airbnb. So it's a really nice, cozy place. So we're staying there for 5 nights. And so today is our second to last night. And right now there's some famous towers. There's twin towers and they're pretty famous.
The Petronas Twin Towers?
Yep, the Petronas Twin Towers. And there's also a really beautiful fountain and light show with some music that hopefully we'll be able to see. So right now we're right by it, so it's really pretty. And the towers are very tall. So there's the light show. So yeah, it's really amazing. So yeah, see ya.